Hi friends. Now I'm going to explain you how to give the hyperlinks. Okay. So we have two sheets are there. One is data and the second one is graphs, and this is the home page. Now let's see. It is a one kind of report. So if I go, if you want to go to the graphs, select the graph and the graph page will reflect here. If you want to go to the data, just select the data page, it trigger to the data page. Now let's see how to make it. So it is very easy and very I will make it as a in a beautiful way. Okay. Now see, in the insert tab you can find the icons. Go to the icons. Let's see. So for the graphical representation, so I just want to make this one as my graphical representation, and just I just want to replace here. Okay. So this is the graphs. Okay. And for data I just make some other thing. So let's see, data either it is a cloud format or I can make it I'll make it as a this one. It's look like a database, am I right? So I put it as data here. Okay. So graph, just graph, update the graph called HMC. Okay, and this is the data, just update alt HMC for match. Okay, now this one is my graph. Okay, now I'm going to graph here. So when I was in the graph sheet, so I'm decided to go back to the home page. So select insert icon and just select the home. Let's see, just imagine this is my home page. So I want to put it as home. Okay, now if I click on this, it will moves me to the home page. Now let's give the hyperlinks to them. So select this one, go to insert, link is there, and in this link existing file or web page, and go to the place in this document. So I'm going to give the hyperlink to graphs. So select the graphs. Okay. Now select this one, insert, link, data. Okay. Now let's see. Let's check graphs. Yeah, it is shooted me to the graph sheet. Now I'm going to give the this home page home to some link. This is home. So if I select this home, yeah, it routed me to the home page. If I select the data page, yeah, it selected me. Even if you want to make a graph, a home page, home icon here, just copy that one and paste here. So it just this one. Okay. Now obviously, the even though hyperlink also copied, so you will get this one. If you like this concept, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.